Welcome learners to today's lesson, which is about how seasons affect us. How seasons affect our clothes, food, and activities. This lesson is about how seasons affect us, as I've said before. Now then, this lesson follows after I have introduced the seasons of the year to you guys. We are going to discuss how seasons affect our daily activities, our food, and our clothes. Now let's do a quick recap. We have learned previously that we have 4 seasons of the year. We've learned that the spring season occurs through the months of September, October, and November. We experience summer in the months of December, January, and February. We get autumn in March, April, and May. We experience the cold weather of winter during June, July, and August. We've also discussed the weather conditions of each season. Now let's get into the lesson. How seasons affect us. We can observe the change in every season in our surroundings. We can tell by the cold rainy days that it is the winter season. During winter, we must wear warm clothes to protect ourselves from feeling cold and getting sick. In winter, we wear warm clothes like jackets, coats, boots, and jerseys. During the season of summer, the weather is warm and sunny. The hot temperatures make us want to dress lighter because we feel warm. We can enjoy wearing shorts, vests, and flip-flops. Dressing lighter allows our bodies to cool off during this hot season. During the season of autumn, we can still feel a bit chilly and the strong winds are in full swing. This season does not allow us to wear cooler clothes because it is chilly still. During the season of spring, we can observe that the weather is more pleasant and warm. In this season, we can enjoy wearing our bright colored cooler clothes, for example, dresses and miniskirts and shorts. Now let's talk about how seasons affect our food. We can observe that during the changing seasons, we eat differently. During the colder seasons, we crave warm foods like soups. During the warm seasons, we prefer to eat lighter meals like salads. It is also important to consume foods that are grown in their seasons, students, as they are healthier and tastier. They give our bodies vitamins that help to make us strong during the seasons of the year. For example, oranges are ready for consumption during the beginning of winter. Oranges give us vitamin C, which help us to fight off flu. Now we are going to talk about how seasons affect our activities. Seasons can limit our daily activities. We can observe that in the colder seasons, we can't fully enjoy outside play or swimming because the rain could fall and we could get sick. While in the warm seasons, we can move about freely. However, the hot temperatures these warm seasons carry can also make us sick. We have to keep dehydrated, drink lots of water, wear sunscreen so that we are able to protect our skin and keep healthy. Now that we've reached the end of the lesson, let's quickly summarize. By now, we understand how seasons work. Through observing our surroundings and our daily lives through the course of the seasons, we can tell how they affect us. In our next lesson, we'll be looking into how seasons affect growing things, like sowing, growing, and harvesting.